Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So we are heading towards new all-time highs, in my opinion, in Q as we closed the week above this daily inversion level. And even if we can have some short-term correction to retest this inversion, I think it will hold and we will take the liquidity to the upside. So my speculation is we continue the uptrend momentum until the FOMC at least. So we have 2-3 weeks at least to go and make new all-time highs. Especially if you see the volatility chart, you can see we hit this we closed this gap and had a huge sell-off, and I think this compression on volatility will stay at least until we close another gap and we have some consolidation to the downside. So on NQ, this is the 4-hour chart. You can see we hit this diagonal resistance, and maybe we can have some consolidation at this area. Maybe we can retest this daily volume imbalance once again, but of course we will break this resistance and we'll definitely go and take the all-time high in the coming weeks, whether it is until the FOMC or even until the end of August. So we are approaching to the last week of August, and yeah, if we open the calendar, you can see we have consumer confidence on Tuesday. We have some Fed members on one Monday, but of course the main numbers are for GDP and the core PCE on Friday. So yeah, that's pretty much not too busy week, and I will expect the trend to go higher. We can see some volatility maybe, but of course the trend I think will be to the upside. So this is basically higher high, and you can see any range price action for Monday or Tuesday, then it will go up in my honest opinion. So moving to the USDT dominance charts, the cryptoverse, you can see we are having some weekend volatility, which was expected as Ethereum. You know that it updated the all-time high currently, and any weekly close above 48.70 is super bullish. So basically we will have a new all-time high and the weekly close at the same time, which is very bullish. And short-term speculation is we can have run to up to at least 5,750, which is 618 retracement level. And of course after that we will see what's the macro narrative on the unemployment, labor market, and the inflation data. So USDT dominance, you can see it had a spike on Sunday, but of course this is a huge resistance area in my opinion, and I don't see it go through from this area. My main speculation is it is going to retest at least these lows and most probably will break it. And the long-term target is, of course, as I said many times, is 3% for the cycle top. So Bitcoin, you can see here, we had this weekend sell-off. This is, I think this is a leverage clear up before another leg up. My short-term target is 120 area, which is the mid-range of this previous range. I think we will see some resistance here, and we will make our analysis based on how the reaction will be at this area for Ethereum and for everything altcoins as well. So you can see the Ethereum chart, very bullish weekly chart, and the daily chart as well. This is the all-time high. Basically, we updated the all-time high, and we are currently having some selling pressure. But there will be, according to CoinGlass, there will be around 2.2 billion in shorts liquidated as the price hits 5,000 Ethereum. I think it's just a matter of time, and the bears are in huge trouble for sure. And after that, we will see what's going to happen. So on the volatility wise, you can see this is the NA altcoin I was speaking about. So this is the level it should hold, and we can see this scam, basically the leveraging operation. It just took this liquidity around 0.868, sorry. And I think from here, if we are able to clear this previous supply area, we are heading towards $1 on ENA. So, but back to the Ethereum chart, you can see this, how the leverage was cleared around, just around roughly 2 billion was cleared for this this short-term downside momentum in the weekend. So you can see very, very over-leveraged markets, and it is very natural to expect this volatility to clear up the late longs and then to move to new all-time high. And the Bitcoin is very interesting as well. Yeah, you can see this flash on the open interest. So basically from 32 billion to 30.5 billion, like 2 billion liquidations within a matter of seconds. This is amazing, simply amazing. And yeah, this is what happens when the leverage is through the roof. So after this clear up, I think we can have some consolidation, and upside to 120 retest on Bitcoin is very, very likely, in my opinion. So and of course you can see this possibility of a rate cut is still at 85%, so it is still very possible. After Powell's speech, it just returned at the same place. So 85% we are having a rate cut, but of course things can change as well. So yeah, as I said before, main bet on Ethereum. You can see some selling pressure, some liquidations here, but yeah, any weekly close, even here, I think is very, very bullish. On the technical perspective, we closed this fair value gap as well. So this is only up markets for Ethereum until we hit the 618, in my opinion. So that's it. Stay bullish, guys, on Ethereum, and keep the leverage. If you are trading with leverage, keep the leverage very low. So thank you so much. Bye.